Go Phil, go! My shock's just collapsed.
Oh?
Well, on this ride today we got Andy on the 404 who just overtaken me with some very nice knobby tyres. Of course my BMW with the lovely 50/50 tyres. Andy is on his nice 404 which is now working. He just replaced the alternator because the other ride we went on, it decided to, well, break and everything. Of course with me there's also Hippodrones on his Beta, and of course Phil on my old, or his new, Honda CRF 250. And together we went for a little ride. Not the best start for me, unfortunately. My energy was pretty low. It was one of them days that I almost didn't make the ride, but because I wanted to take them down on these new lanes and everything, and Phil had come quite a long way to meet up with us, I thought I really have to get to there just to do the morning at least, so they can experience some of these lovely muddy lanes. Phil, 480, is a bit new to off-roading and everything, so I hang back at the back. This lane is made of clay, so it just chucks up into your tyres and gets you very stuck. Phil's bike has a knobby on the front, but still has a 50/50 or a more of a road-oriented tyre on the rear. He will be changing to a knobby shortly. Yes, it was a very difficult lane for someone without knobby tyres.
What's wrong? Say again?
Hey?
Say again?
I'm going to let spare out the back so I'm getting no grip at all at the back.
There's nothing you can do, this is clay.
No.
And you've never been in clay. You've never been in clay before.
No.
Trust me, you won't.
I want to let some out anyway because they're still at road pressure.
Oh, are they? Yeah, let some out. But yeah, I exited into a tree a minute ago, so. Yeah, this is clay, so it gets in your tyres and doesn't come out.
Yeah.
The only thing you can do is you have to just give it a lot of beans.
Yeah, just lean forward a bit more, yeah?
Lean forward and give it more beans. The front wheel, don't touch the front brake.
No.
If it starts to slip, let off the throttle.
Yeah.
Because that will auto-correct. Don't touch the front brake.
No.
That's the only thing you got to do. And just give it beans so you spin up mud.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Look, do you want me to ride it through this bit and I'll show you what I mean?
Yeah, go on.
Just stand back because it could be...
Yeah, I'm going to get that side.
Oh, it's so small! See what I mean? You just got to give it beans. Have you beat your phobia of mud now?
Yeah,
good.
Back there where doing what you just said, it just clicked and I was giving it a good load of throttle.
It tracks and doesn't it? The front wheel's sort of straight, so you're alright. See the difference between mud and clay? ready? Do you want a hand, Phil? Oh, I can't get the bike up. Hang on. Hang on. No. Right, you get on the back end maybe, or something. Right, side stand down. Yeah. Walk around the other side of the bike. It does get better.
Yeah.
See where Andy is?
I smell petrol.
Don't worry, that's just the overflow. That's the overflow.
Okay.
Oh, is that glass or ice? No, it's ice. Right. Can you get on it? Oh, by the way, your throttle's gone to cruise control.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you got cruise control throttle.
Oh, it probably, yeah, knocked the bar end.
Yeah, it has, yeah. We're gonna have to fix that before we continue. Okay. Come on, put your back into it. Don't. Hang on, Phil.
Yeah, start my pocket.
I've got a toolkit.
I've got a couple toolkits, so I can't remember if there's any Allen keys in there.
Here, open up your hands, you can hold it. If you hold it, so I don't lose anything.
Yeah,
Much
might
so.
be enough.
Oh, it's not turning. I don't think it's got enough adjustment. I think it slipped on the...
Did that?
No, it might have slipped. Oh,
I
no.
thought it moved.
Oh, yeah, it probably has. Hang on.
I thought it moved, to be honest. Maybe not.
Let's take the extender off. It's like the pressure of it. Here, hold that. It's like the extender of it all. Have you got a little socket set somewhere, just in case?
Yeah.
Ow! That really hurt, because I think this might be...
Oh, it's come out of that, yeah, okay.
That really hurt, just wrap my knuckles on you.
Yeah, I'd say, yeah. That doesn't sound very, there we go.
That was on tight.
No.
Okay, we're gonna have
see
to...
that, yeah, I did see the bar moving on.
Okay. Okay, so that's definitely loose. Still not.
You're surprised it didn't go down too hard, really, did it? It was a fairly soft landing.
Yeah, but maybe it was just...
Can happen.
Maybe it was just enough. Okay. Oh, maybe this has got caked with mud as well. And that's
yeah.
possibly...
Probably, yeah, the mud that's doing it.
It could be the mud, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because if I hold all this back...
And yeah, to be fair, there's no like cap in there, so it's just going to get... Come on.
Come on. Oh, there we go. Right. So... They saved the lever anyway.
Yeah, true.
Save the lever anyway. But yeah, this is bent, I think. The actual...
Yeah, so looking at this one, yeah, does pretty much go straight.
Better now? Is that turning?
Yeah, that's fine.
Still not 100%, but I think it's because there's mud in there now.
Yeah.
And it is rubbing a little bit here.
Okay.
But nothing that's going to give you whiskey throttle, which is your biggest weakness, I think. Okay, I think that's tight enough for now. Okay, that's yours. Right, I'll take that back, and then that's all yours to pack away. Yeah. Right, while you're packing away, I'm going to make a phone call. Now, if you give it beans to get moving, remember this isn't clay now.
Yeah.
So if you give it beans, but once you're moving, just easy on the throttle so it spins. Remember that little lane we did back there, the little one? You notice the difference straight away between clay and mud.
Yeah.
Because I was fine, and you were fine as well. Because the other lanes we did were just slide fests.
Yeah.
Because that's proper thick mud, and that was, yeah, not compact and clay.
Yeah.
Laughing so hard, that was me in a minute. Phil, hang on. Yeah, I know you're stuck. I know you're stuck. Don't move, because you're gonna just break your leg or something. I saw that, yeah. Yeah, you're stuck. Hang on.
If you just lift it up slightly, I'll get out.
Yeah.
It's caught. Yeah, push your heel down.
Oh, I can't actually get it up. Oh, you had to pick there, wouldn't you? Did you have to pick there to go down? All the places.
Yeah.
So I'm going to step on the step on this wheel.
Okay.
Which is going to hopefully put it down. God. I can't actually. There we go. Whew. My foot's actually stuck in the mud underneath the bike. Oh.
Yeah, that's quite mine.
Good fun, boys. Yeah, that's a paddle, mate.
Yeah,
I
noticed.
Right then left.
You're right.
Yeah.
He got his leg caught. You got it?
Did you
Yeah, I got it.
Out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to come away from that side to get to the middle, because this bit on the grass looked better to ride on.
Did it? Did it look better?
It was better until we got
The grass is green on the other side, literally.
Yeah, it got to about here, then it went shit.
Over here, that's a lot easier.
Yeah, it's a lot easier from here on in.
It was literally the last bit.
Yeah.
Puncher. Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure?
I was actually that sure I had a puncture. I didn't believe Pete when I asked him, so I had to get up and check. And did you notice that my suspension was at the proper, correct height? So in the space of driving from here, just down the road, another, say, half a mile, the whole BMW hit the floor.
Yeah. My shock's just collapsed. My shock's collapsed. Look how low it is. Look how low it is. I've got an ultra low boy.
That's not supposed to do that.
You've got a low rider.
I've got a low rider. Hey, I wonder if that was the oil leak. Was the shock?
Maybe.
Well, possibly. I've had that before.
Oh, Christ, yeah, it's low. It's sat right there.
I was like, hang on, I can reach the floor on it.
That's where the oils come from, innit?
Yeah, because I was like, I don't understand where this oil's coming from. I had the whole bike apart looking for it and the shock's gone. I better give James the call. We're going to have to read him my shock. It felt horrible. I was like, this doesn't feel... That's why I thought I had a puncture. Oh. Hey Phil, can I interest you in a second-hand BMW? It's a low seat. It's been lowered.
You had a flat foot on that one.
Yeah, because I was like, I can flat foot this. Oh man, how am I gonna get that one if it's centre stand though? That's gonna be a.
Oh, wheel it up onto a block of wood.
Yeah, okay, good idea. Well then, that's broken.
Well, yeah, no more laying in for you.
Well, that was an uncomfortable ride home. But I made it. Low rider. Oh blast, that's gonna take me a while to fix. That is going to take me some time to fix.
Well, thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you did, drop it a like, comment and whatever. Did you know you can actually support me via Patreon? Some of that money might be used to go to a new rear shock for my BMW. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.